We didn't set out to build just another ordinary parachute. We set out to create the world's most versatile base-specific canopy in existence. 3.5 years of engineering, research and development, and rigorous testing has birthed the Gryphus. Our canopy is an all-in-one solution for advanced jumpers and qualified beginners alike. With its reliable heading performance, rapid inflations, and precise flight controls, the Gryphus dominates all disciplines of base. Whether you're jumping highly technical buildings, low desert cliffs, or opening alpine wingsuit exits, the Gryphus excels in going places no one else has dared. The Gryphus, gravity reimagined.